You are going to love the 2007 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, 5-speed manual transmission, limited slip differential, rear wheel drive, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find driver footrest, rear 50/50 split fold-down seat. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Your new ride is just a phone call away.